So, the iPhone 16 represents a significant step forward for Apple in integrating artificial intelligence to enhance user experience and productivity. A major highlight is Siri's advanced natural language processing capabilities, allowing users to interact more naturally with a voice assistant. Siri now better understands context, enabling follow-up questions and commands with greater accuracy. This improvement makes Siri a more versatile tool, able to perform tasks like checking the weather at a specific location and then creating an event based on that information. Additionally, Siri's interface has been updated, featuring a subtle, colorful glow at the screen's corners when it's listening, making it more visually appealing and modern. AI integration extends beyond Siri, enhancing various apps on the iPhone 16. In the Messages and Mail apps, AI suggests appropriate responses, summarizes lengthy threads, and even composes emails in different tones, improving communication efficiency. The Photos app also benefits from AI, with new features like object removal and enhanced search capabilities that allow users to find images more intuitively. These improvements make managing and editing photos more straightforward and powerful. For web browsing, Apple introduces Intelligent Search in Safari, which leverages AI to analyze web pages, highlight key points, and provide concise summaries of content. This feature saves users time by simplifying the process of sifting through lengthy articles. Additionally, the new Web Eraser tool allows users to remove unwanted elements, such as ads, from websites, and these changes persist across future visits, creating a cleaner, more focused browsing experience. Although many of these AI features will also be available on last year's Pro models with the release of iOS 18, Apple has yet to confirm whether all these advancements will be accessible on older high-end models. Nevertheless, the iPhone 16's AI capabilities represent a significant upgrade, bringing a more seamless and personalized user experience. Siri's ability to understand and respond to natural language more effectively makes it a more reliable assistant. Users can interact with Siri without worrying about being misunderstood, even when stumbling over words. Follow-up commands and questions are now more accurate, enhancing Siri's utility in everyday tasks. Apple Intelligence, another new feature, acts as a personal editor, helping users rewrite emails in different tones, summarize content, and create custom emojis through the Genmoji feature. The Image Playground app allows users to generate custom images with Apple Intelligence, showcasing Apple's growing interest in creative AI tools. These advancements position Apple to deliver a more intuitive and personalized experience with the iPhone 16. However, the true potential of these features will only be realized once users get their hands on the device. Until then, the excitement and anticipation surrounding the iPhone 16 continue to build. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 16 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.